Hello my dear student, welcome in biology class 12, chapter number 10 is going on, that is microbes in human welfare part 4. In this chapter we are studying about different types of the microbes that are beneficial for the human beings and other organisms. So in this chapter we already learned about the microbes that produce household product, industrial product, and others. In which today I am going to describe biogas help in the production. Microbes help in the production of biogas. इसमें हम लोग बायोगैस के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, कैसे क्या इसका प्रोडक्शन होता है, क्या क्या इसमें नीडेड है. सो लेट अस वन बाय वन according your textbook. Here microbes production of microbes in production of biogas. कौन से microbes से help आते हैं? So simply biogas is a mixture of gases produced by microbial activity which may be used as fuel. बायोगैस क्या है? Biogas is a mixture of gases that is maybe methane. Biogas is a mixture of gases that is produced by the microbial activity. Microbes के थ्रू होता है and which may be used as the fuel. ईंधन के रूप में इसका यूज किया जाता है. And here you know about the different types of the bacteria that is responsible for the end product during their chemical reactions. End product found from the bacteria. So we know that in our daily life different type of the bacteria is responsible for producing the end product. For example, in the bakery product, making the dough where CO2 gas is released by the bacterial activity. So one thing, certain bacteria which grows anaerobically on cellulose material and produce large amount of methane along with carbon dioxide and hydrogen. These bacteria are collectively known as methanogens and are methanobacterium. Simply कुछ बैक्टीरिया ऐसे हैं जो एनारोबिकली ग्रो करते हैं कहाँ पे? सेलुलोज मटेरियल पर, और वो प्रोड्यूस करते हैं लार्ज अमाउंट में मेथेन गैस. मेथेन को किसके साथ? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और हाइड्रोजन के साथ, एंड प्रोडक्ट. And that bacteria commonly known as methanogens and are methanobacterium. For example, rumen of cattle, that is part of stomach, rumen part of stomach of cattle, in which the cellulosic breakdown takes place in the rumen part of the cattle, and further when the cellulosic part is breakdown in the cattle, what happen after the breakdown of the cellulose material into the rumen part, that excreta of cattle is removed, that is dung, also known as gobar. It also responsible for making the gobar gas. This one in the rumen of cattle, this is the stomach part of stomach of this cattle. Their breakdown of cellulose takes place in the rumen. After that, the excreta means dung of the cattle is removed in the form of the gobar, that is further used as gobar gas, because different types of methanogens bacteria rich in the gobar of the cattle or dung of the cattle that is responsible for making the gobar gas. So this is all about introduction of the microbes in the production of biogas. Simply once again, biogas is a mixture of gases or methane that is produced by the microbial activity and which may be used as the fuel. बायोगैस क्या है? सब कई गैसों का मिक्सर है जो कि फ्यूल के रूप में यूज किया जा सकता है। एंड कुछ बैक्टीरिया ऐसे हैं जो कि एनारोबिकली ग्रो करते हैं कहाँ पे? सेलुलोजिक मटेरियल पर, जैसे कैटल के रुमेन में सेलुलोज पर कुछ बैक्टीरिया ऐसे हैं जो ब्रेक डाउन करते हैं किसका? सेलुलोज का। एंड along that they release the carbon dioxide and hydrogen. These bacteria are called the methanogen or methanobacterium. ऐसे बैक्टीरिया को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? मेथेनोजन और मेथेनोबैक्टीरियम। सो कैटल के डंग में क्या पाया जाता है? रिच अमाउंट में मेथेनोजेंस पाए जाते हैं दैट आर रिस्पांसिबल फॉर द मेकिंग द गोबर गैस। Next topic is the biogas plant. What is a biogas plant? That is used for the making the biogas with the help of microbial activity. This biogas plants is a technology that is developed by Indian Agriculture Research Institute, that is known as IARI, and Khadi and Village Industry Commission, that is KBIC. Biogas technology is developed by the effort of the Indian Agriculture Research Institute and Khadi and Village Industry Commission in the India for the production of biogas. This biogas consists of concrete tank about 10 to 15 feet deep, in which biogas wastes are collected and slurry of dung is fed. It is consist of concrete, पत्थर से बना होता है, 10 to 15 feet deep, 10 से 15 फीट इसकी गहराई होती है, and which bio waste are collected and slurry of dung is fed. डंग का गोबर का घोल उसमें डाला जाता है। Floating cover is placed over the slurry which keep rising the gas in tank that is made by the microbial activity or microbes, that is produced by the with the help of microbial activity or the microbes. This biogas by an outlet through pipeline that supply to the near houses for the further use. The spent slurry is removed by the another outlet, that is sludge outlet may be used for the as a fertilizer. Biogas used for the cooking and lighting. This is the short term related to the biogas. Here you can see figure. Once again, you simply see 10 to 15 feet. This is the concrete deep in the set, in which the here slurry material of the gobar or cow dung is fed into the by this through pipeline. This slurry of dung or slurry of gobar is enter into the digester tank, where the microbial activity takes place in this digester tank, and that is covered by a cap for the collecting the gas with the gas holder, in which the methane, carbon dioxide, hydrogen are made up, that is further supplied to the in the form of gases to the near houses. And after that, this sludge material is collected in the sludge tank, that is further used for the fertilizers in the form of fertilizers. So this is all about biogas. Once again, biogas is a technology. Biogas plant is a technology that is developed by the Indian Agriculture Research Institute and along with the Khadi and Village Industries Commission for the production of biogas. This biogas is consists of concrete 10 to 15 deep, in which the process of biogas takes place, maintaining of the biogas takes place. Here one tank for the tongue water means slurry of the tongue, गोबर के घोल के लिए एक टैंक होगा। यहाँ पर इसको एंट्री किया जाएगा, घोल को डाला जाएगा, तो ये जाकर के इकट्ठा होगा कहाँ पर, नीचे डाइजेस्टर टैंक पर, जहां पर वह गोबर का गैस वह गोबर का घोल जो है माइक्रोबियल एक्टिविटी से क्या प्रोड्यूस करेगा, गैस का फॉर्मेशन करेगा, दैट इज कवर बाय द गैस होल्डर एंड दैट इज फर्दर सप्लाई इनटू द अनदर pipeline to the outlet that is used for the near houses for the making of the food material or used as the lighting. And this gobar of the sludge is collected in the sludge for the further use of for the fertilizers, manure, खाद के रूप में इसका यूज करते हैं। सिंपली वी कैन से बायोगैस का प्लांट जो है 10 से 15 फीट की गहराई का एक टैंक होता है, उसमें एक टैंक के ऊपर एक ढक्कन लगा होता है जो कि होल्ड करता है, किसको, गैस को होल्ड करके रखता है। और कैसे ये बनता है, स्लरी ऑफ डंग मीन्स गोबर के घोल को हम लोग को एक टैंक में डालते हैं, ये पाइपलाइन के थ्रू वो डाइजेस्टर टैंक में जाता है, जहां पर 24 आवर में वहां पर माइक्रोबियल एक्टिविटी होती है, माइक्रोबियल ग्रोथ होता है, जो कि बैक्टीरिया के थ्रू, माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म के थ्रू वहां पे प्रोसेस होगा, मेकिंग ऑफ द ब्रेकडाउन ऑफ द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ द सेलुलोजिक मटेरियल दैट इज प्रेजेंट इन द कैटल रेमन, यहाँ पे होगा। और उसमें से फिर क्या होगा, एंड प्रोडक्ट रूप में मीथेन और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड हाइड्रोजन गैस रिलीज होगा, जो कि एक पाइपलाइन के थ्रू उसको सप्लाई किया जाएगा नियर हाउसेस के पास, जहां पर भी उसका यूज होगा। जब यह गैस निकल जाएगा तो यहाँ पर क्या बचेंगे, गोबर का फेट बचेगा, डंग बचेगा, जो कि स्लज के रूप में उसको अलग स्लज वाले टैंक में इकट्ठा करके फिर उसको हम लोग क्या करते हैं, ड्राई फेज में रख देते हैं, सुखा देते हैं, अदरवाइज कुछ दिनों के लिए रख देंगे, तो क्या होगा कि वो देसी खाद के रूप में या बायो फर्टिलाइजर के रूप में यूज होगा। दिस इज ऑल अबाउट बायोगैस प्लांट एंड प्रोडक्शन of biogas with the help of the microbes. So by that this is clear that microbes are also important for the making the biogas, and that are further biogas is used for the human welfare, otherwise human life cycle, in the form of cooking food, in the form of lighting, in the form of making the fertilizers and etc. This is all about microbes help in the production of biogas and along that the biogas plant. Thank you.